We're now going to take you through setting your room up for general treatment. When you open the drawer of your trolley, you will see standard items that you will need to use for general foot care. If some of these items are missing, it would be ideal if you could restock them from the supply room in the clinic. To set up for general care, take out your chlorhexidine pre-swab, some gauze, goggles, moisturiser, and an apron. Then you can take out a 10 and 15 size scalpel blade, and your room is now prepared. Now Harry's going to go down to the instrument room to collect a new set of instruments, which can be taken from the top of the instrument trolley. And Harry's instruments are placed on the left-hand side of the trolley.